Hello and welcome back everyone to Tech It's Simple. We are back with another tutorial video. And in this video, we will be showing you how to log into your Netflix account on your smartphone. In order to sign into your Netflix account, you will first need to install the Netflix application. In order to do this, first of all, open up your application store or the Google Play Store. Now go ahead and search for Netflix. Once you find the application, tap on the Install button. Now just wait for the installation to complete. And once the installation is done, go ahead and press on the Open button. This will open up the Netflix application. And now you will be able to see the Sign In button at the top right corner. Tap on the Sign In button and you will be allowed to enter your email address and your password. After entering your email address and your password, tap on the Sign In button. Now you will be asked to select which user is watching. Go ahead and tap on your account. Then enter the PIN code if necessary. Once you enter your PIN code, you will be taken inside your Netflix account directly. Now you can continue watching even on your smartphone, as well as your viewing progress are synced across devices. So that is how simple it is to sign into Netflix on your smartphone. If you find this video useful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.